All right, looking at 8b from the cross-section worksheet. Find the volume of a solid whose base is a circle with radius 8. Nick, which one did you want? B, equilateral triangles? So there's our base, and we're going to be looking at the equilateral triangles coming up out of the page. So we want to add up from negative 8 to 8 all of the equilateral triangles dx, or slicing dx. The area of an equilateral triangle is root 3 over 4 times s squared. Remember, we went through the process of figuring that out yesterday, and then we decided we would just memorize that rather than have to think through all the 30, 60, 90, and all that stuff. So root 3 over 4 times s squared, where s is the side length of the triangle. So that's, I guess, sort of helpful. Negative 8 to 8, root 3 over 4, s squared dx. That's not ready for the calculator yet because I need to know what s is in terms of x. So I look over at my picture, and s, let's see, s is this full height. It would be better if we did it right there. That point up there is x comma y, but y is the height above the x-axis. S is the full length of that side. So S is twice the length of y. And then y is, we hadn't even written this down yet, but x squared plus y squared equals 64. So y is the square root of 64 minus x squared. So s is 2 times the square root of 64 minus x squared. This idea of keeping track of who's s, who's y, but then I need s squared, so what do I do when I square y? Like, keeping track of all those different variables is going to continue today. It's a little bit different, but this idea of can you follow a formula through and figure out all the little pieces in there? So root 3 over 4 from negative 8 to 8 of s squared, but s is 2 square root 64 minus x squared dx. Oops, squared. Because all of that is s. Then you go to the calculator and type it in and let the calculator do all the work. And you get the volume to be 1182.413. So we're just adding up squares, adding up semicircles, adding up equilateral triangles. Today we're going to add up circles, but we're going to get there a slightly different way.